According to the local MLS, townhomes in the Twin Cities area have appreciated by over $50 a square foot. That's an incredible return on investment. My name is Bethany Nelson with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and I am so excited to introduce to you 2521 Unity Avenue North. When searching for the perfect townhome, buyers tend to care about finding an end unit which allows for plenty of natural light, multiple bedrooms on the same level with enough closet space, of course, and adequate living space for entertaining. And not only does this home have it all, but it's located in highly desired Golden Valley. And priced at $185,000, you couldn't find a cuter home as a better investment. So call us today for your own private showing.